Hey guys, still working on this rock mix from Cody James MSC. The track is called Stay Home. If you want to get more information, his link is down in the description. So let's jump right back in. Okay, so now let's find a room to put our stuff in. I'm going to start with, I usually start with the snare when it comes to a room just because it's the easiest to hear. So, I mean, I kind of like the way the drums are sounding right now, so I don't want to add too much room to it, just enough to kind of glue the whole track together a little bit with the other instruments. Then for my room sound, I usually do Space Designer. And then, I don't know, I've been using these Bricasti ones I have had for a while now. Let's see. Let's see what a concert hall sounds like. I like that. Just going to EQ this reverb, make sure nothing gets sent to it or sent out of it that I don't want. I don't want any super highs or super lows going to the reverb. Just want to keep it nice and clean. And just only a tiny, tiny bit of kick. And then for the guitars, let's see, don't we have a guitar bus? Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna bus the guitars to the room. Okay, so now we have that done, got all the instruments. Now we just need to go back to the toms. Oh, it doesn't have my shortcut. A lot of times it'll say remove silence here because I use it so much. There it is. Oh. This might not be the whole region. Yeah. I don't know, since it's all chopped up, it might not work right. Let's see. That one worked. Nothing in that one. And for this one, need to bump up the, whoa, too much. How about that? Nope. Okay, that looks fine. Yep. Okay, so now I just need to do this for the rest of them.